I show them what we're having for dinner? First, let's show them the ingredients. So, salt and pepper. I chose allspice, lemon, garlic, thyme. It's going to be a tomato simmered sauce with some bell peppers and leeks. Maybe some bouillon. Lemon for some acid. Lemon for some acid. Because when in Rome or when in London, do as the Londoners do, right? In this case, this multi-diverse neighborhood, I am cooking parrotfish. Now, I know some of you may complain that parrotfish are important to our ecosystem and we shouldn't eat them. Well, this is the first time I've ever had them, and we're going to try it. What do you think about them, Nathan?
Cute.
They are. They're so pretty. And we're going to make it in the style of Caribbean brown stew. Yep, we're going to take the scales and we're going to look at them under the microscope later. So, hey, a little bit of homeschool going on in there. Oh, and then I found these Jamaican bammies. They are cassava cakes that you soak and fry, and they should go great with our dinner. So,
oh, yeah.
All right, we have things simmering. Sorry about the steam there. It's interesting cooking in a different place because I didn't have a cutting board, so I actually had to use a piece of paper on a tray. So some of the other things that are different, pans are not my own. They're a little bit textured. Different knives. These are all things to consider when you're traveling. So here, I just sliced the ginger and I just crushed the garlic to put in there. We're not going to burst our Scotch bonnet because we don't want it spicy. We want the Scotch bonnet to give us the flavor. Fresh thyme. Nathan loves thyme. That's one of his favorites. So I brought this to a simmer. And I'm going to put a lid on it and let it kind of reduce and become saucy. Saucy. Oh, and Nathan chopped the green onions. All the green onions that are chopped, Nathan did that.
But oh yeah.
Always with a dance. And he's eating candy. So I mentioned that the pan's a little sticky. It's not my own pan. The fish I fried in butter. It's not looking the most beautiful, although you can still see that pretty blue color. No. But I think that by the time we put it with the sauce and peel the meat off the bone, it tastes really great, and I think it's going to be a really great dish.
Oh, yeah. Did you see the piece we got over there?
Oh, yeah. We chopped a piece of his beak off. We looked at it under the microscope, too. Better light. They have really unique beaks, unlike anything else in the world. The vegetable stewed for a long time. It doesn't really look like the brown sauce that I saw for brown stew, but it tastes really good. The fish I reheated with some of this leftover sauces. Again, not the most beautiful presentation. We'll see if we can pull that together. But it's delicious pulled off the bone. And I'm frying some garlic butter here for our bammies that have been soaking. The reason for the garlic butter? Well, Andrew can't stand the smell of fish. So if you wonder what he's been up to all this time, I'll show you in just a second. He's sitting with his nose covered. Not that bad. All right, here's what we have for dinner. Are you showing off your muscles?
Yeah.
Our fish and our stewed vegetables. And our bammies. I'll get it wrong every time. What do you think about the bammies, Nathan? What do they taste like?
Bread. Bread.
They do. It tastes like bread. I fried them in garlic. They're chewy. They're quite tasty. Yep. It doesn't look like it does on the internet when you make fish and brown stew. But we all know that the internet lies. It's full of lies. Nathan, do you like it? I think it's pretty good. We're just going to eat the fish off the bones. And so it's kind of messy, African style.
It's good, so that's all that matters.
Ooh, that lemon helps. Yeah. Do you think it's good? Nathan gives it thumbs up.
Double. No. I'm going to give it 9,999 thumbs up.
All right. And there's policemen outside.
Let me go look. Here we go look. Okay.
Mr. Dad, you coming in here? No. He's got his nose covered. He's hiding in the hallway. Apparently he's not coming in. I think this dinner was very successful, but when it comes to traveling, I'm definitely going to take some notes for myself. One, a thin little plastic cutting board, even though I don't use plastic cutting boards at home. Having a thin little plastic cutting board would mean that I always have one on a trip. 2, I will be creating a travel spice bag. It may be small little increments, but at least I will have everything that I want. It worked out today that I could buy fresh and local, and that was perfect, but I think there's going to be times that you can't always do that. So those are some changes I'm going to make. What would you think about things that you would bring for food related?
I'll bring literally jars.
Little jars?
Jars this big, like balls.
If you could pack any food in your luggage, what would you bring?
I would bring pizza.
Pizza! Maybe we need to get you some astronaut food, just add water to it. I also think for you...
It's right here.
There you are. Those powdered cola tube things. Yeah. So there's little things that maybe we'll add to our luggage next time. But today's dinner was good. And so I'm happy.
I'm good.
Although Andrew did not enjoy it. Never mind. You know, pulling the meat off of the bones and putting it together with the stew as a reheated leftover actually worked out really good. I gave the pepper a little bit of a crush so it's got some heat to it. And so despite how it may have looked the first night, the second night, that's really good.